तो मैम जैसे कि इस वक्त आपकी एज है जो कि इतनी एज नहीं है जिसमें हम इतना कुछ सोच सके कि एक फ़ीमेल होने के साथ इंडियन सोसाइटी में एक किसी लेडी ने इतना अचीव किया हो, राइट। तो बेसिकली जो मेरे को लगता है वो है कि अब ब्रिंगिंग बहुत ज़्यादा इसमें मैटर करती है कि फैमिली सपोर्ट कर रही है, आपको एजुकेशन में सपोर्ट कर रही है, देन दे आर गिविंग यू द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू ग्रो इन योर लाइफ डूइंग व्हाट यू वांट टू डू। क्योंकि अगर हम बेसिकली आपकी एज की फ़ीमेल्स की बात करें तो दे आर इनटू देयर घर पे अगर कोई जॉब भी कर रही है तो वो लाइक दे आर वर्किंग इन अ वेरी स्मॉल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, बस सिर्फ एक टाइम पास के लिए हैं, लेट्स से पॉकेट मनी के लिए, लेट्स से कि फैमिली को सपोर्ट करने के लिए। बट यू आर डूइंग सो मैनी थिंग्स। आप सोशल वेलफेयर भी करती हैं, यू आर डायरेक्टर ऑफ एन इंस्टीट्यूट, देन यू आर अ पार्ट ऑफ CMAHI। तो कैसे इतना कुछ किया है, किसकी सपोर्ट रही है और क्या चीज़ें हैं जो कि आपको लगता है कि हमारी फैमिलीज़ को, हमारी सोसाइटी को करनी चाहिए कि आपके जैसे और पर्सनैलिटीज़ पंजाब में ही नहीं पूरे इंडिया में आगे आएँ और कैन हेल्प आवर सोसाइटी टू एक्चुअली टेक आवर सोसाइटी टू दैट लेवल के दुनिया के सामने इंडिया का एक अलग चेहरा ही नज़र आ जाए।
Right, Gurpreet ji, you're really right when you say that there is a lot of support system that works behind any individual to reach wherever I am. I'm really fortunate that I have been born in a family wherein my parents were very loving, caring and supportive. We are 2 siblings only, and my sister, I have one elder sister. So both being daughters to our parents, we have never felt while growing up that we were just the daughters in the home. I think I have seen families around me where sons would have been given less privileges than we as a daughters were fortunate enough to get. So I'm really thankful to God to have sent me to such lovely parents, and my father is a very inspiring human being, Mr. J.S. Bedi. He's a chairman for Gyan Jyoti Group of Institutions. So, and my mother, Mrs. Ranjit Bedi, is a principal for Gyan Jyoti Global School. At that time in 1974, just now when I sit and I see, just think of the vision my father had at that point of time and how much inspiring he was as an individual in his thoughts and the vision and openness he had, that he made his wife open an educational institution, set up an educational institution to impart education in this part of region. Imagine Mohali in the year of 1974. When there were hardly any things in that part of the region, and they both came together to set up an educational institution. Lot of challenges, limited funds. So any initiative is being taken at a very small level. That is what I want to request to the women in the, at sitting and watching this show, that anything that starts small. And as I have grown up, I had seen my mother working day in, day out. And we were fortunate enough, we never missed mother. Till date, we as a daughters have our mother as our best friend. I will hardly have any friends, I will say. But my mother had been always my best friend. She was always there for us, shopping, talking, chatting, going around. You have come, you have bluffed around, you can come, you can talk to your mom, this has happened. So I think that was the biggest support for the individual. We were always encouraged that you have to do, you have to study. You don't have a choice, you have to study. So, and there are very few people who get that. I did my graduation and I was thinking, oh, I've done everything in my life now. It's, it's the one time. If you even wish to marry me, you can. I am done. I am a graduate now. But my father told me that no. My mother said, my father made me do a post-graduation. In that age, I am a MA B.Ed, so how can my daughter not be a postgraduate? So you have to choose a line for yourself. Then they made me do an MBA. And my father said that if you have to be in education, you have to do a PhD, you have to be a doctorate. So you have to do that. The choice is yours, the way you want to do it. Then he made me give an entrance exam of University Business School, Punjab University. made me do my PhD from UBS Chandigarh. So we did that, and I think while doing that, that's a time when you start learning, experiencing the world, and you start imbibing the things. वो शुरू से culture में entrepreneurship आ गया, entrepreneurial culture था घर में, challenges थे. I think the way they have grown, we are just the second generation rather. So they have seen most of the challenges, they have faced the life, they have created a world-class infrastructure, and taking that forward is a big, responsibility. The challenges which I have faced after becoming the director, or once we entered into the business, my sister is also taking care of the school, I am part of, the management institute. So people take time to accept you. It is very difficult from them to accept the shift, because definitely my parents had a wonderful style of managing their people, and they are their team. So for them, accepting a young girl coming into the business and talking about the business or taking interest in the business is little challenging. People feel ये कल के बच्चे हैं, इनको तो हमने अपने सामने बड़े हुए होते देखा है, ये क्या करेंगे? So you have to overcome that. I think that's where your nurturing takes a role. Our parents always kept us very grounded. So they made us do the work right from the basic. I started my career as a lecturer in the college and grown to a director's level in 15 years' time. So I think I have seen all those phases wherein now I can connect to my team better, and that's how you feel. And then you have wonderful, when you are born to a good family, you have good friends, yes, and they are always encouraging you. And I feel that when you get married, there comes another milestone in your life, and it is a God's blessing to have a wonderful life partner with you. Gurvinder, my life partner, he's very supportive. I have felt that yes, I may have taken a back seat sometime, that baby is small, I cannot do this, now I have to give more time to my family and house. How do you expect me to, take so many hats at this point of time? But he's always been like this, not now, then when? So that's the only question I have to answer. Whenever I'll go to him, I'll ask him, this is the next thing I am required to do, how do you feel? Or people, I have to own this responsibility, what do you feel about it? He will always ask me, not now, then when? And I feel that that's the biggest blessing one can have, taking care of my 5-year-old son. Because I have always seen my mother being available to us. So I also feel that yes, I have a responsibility towards that child as well, that he has to be taken care of. But yes, it takes time. When I became the president, I realized, and when I took the responsibility as a director, I realized that it takes a little time on your personal life. But that's where the role of a woman is. I think God has blessed a woman with the quality of work-life balance in a better way than anybody else.
Wonderful. So, taking care of your family, taking care of your business, you also do, many social work. So we have heard that you have NGO and you also have a club. So how do you manage time? From where have you learned this art of managing time?
That I would say I have learned from my father. He's an excellent time management person. And then at whatever I am doing, I have a group of students with me. There is a student community at a college level which connects with you. So having wonderful students in your campus is one big, this thing. You get a lot of student initiative coming to you. If I go and talk to my students that tomorrow we have to visit an old age home and we have to do something, there will be the brilliant ideas coming from the students which I alone will say I cannot think of. They will come, they will say, we'll do it much better. So if I will go as an individual, I can hardly go, I can interact with people, I'll sit with two people, couple of them, 10 of them, at the max I will have a food with them or something like that. But when you have a database of students of Gyan Jyoti coming with you, going along, they'll plan the group of activities which will really engage the senior members, and they also feel good connecting to the youth. That is more heart to heart. So there is a team of 10 students going with me, 2 sitting with each of the senior members, and then there are another 10 group which is presenting some cultural event to them. So I think for the last 10-15 years now we are regularly visiting the old age homes, and we have become family with them also, and we know them by a face. We know that if someone is missing in that senior group, we even realize that also, that now that auntie is not there with us.
Wonderful. That's so nice of you, taking care of the old people who have been, left alone by their families. I personally feel that they would have wished you so many things. That's why, that's also one way to get this successful in life, to getting into the heart of people. So there is also a club which you run, right? What is the name of that club, and what are the activities you perform in that club?
We have one Rotaract club at GJIMT. It is an offshoot of Rotary Mohali. So wherein the youth at the age group of 15 to 21 are members of Rotaract GJIMT. Last year the Rotaract club of GJIMT has been conferred as the best club of Rotary Mohali. And students are elected as the president, general secretaries and president in that. They run the entire show. And under the club we work with the downtrodden of the society. We work in the slum level. We go to the slum children, we work with them. We'll work with the senior people. We'll work with the youth. What students learn out of that is they learn the managerial skills. They get a lot of exposure. There are girl students I have seen who had been part of Rotaract, and they have started their own businesses later on. That has given that is one forum, that is an exposure they are getting, because they are going to the different levels. They are meeting people right from the grassroots to a higher level, so they are taking that much of effort. Now there was a girl student who has started her own hospitality setup. She's catering, although it's just a tiffin service, but that initiative she has taken. She's got the courage that yes, lot can be done and I have to do it.
Wonderful. So basically, when student or people work in groups, they also learn to be a part of a team, which is very important for any setup to run or to be successful, to be a part of a team. So that's again very wonderful, and you have been to the part of the world as well. So which countries have you visited, and what you have learned from their cultures and their style of working?
Yeah, I have traveled. I have traveled abroad. I've been to Australia. I've been to Dubai. I've been to many other countries. That's the US I had been to. So while I was in Australia, I had a chance to visit few of the universities. And what I realized over there, that there is a lot of focus on the child care that happens, which is something which is missing in India. So when we see that why the woman outside is more successful than the woman in India, I think one of the challenges over there we face is that when I have a small child at home, I don't have any backup. Now we are into the nuclear families set up by default or by choice. We are a part of nuclear families. So when a child care is present adjacent to my office, or it is a part of my organization, I'm very comfortable. My performance increases. My child is secure. Half of my tension is gone. I am contributing to the organization I am part of. So what I am trying, we are trying the same thing in Gyan Jyoti, that the women employees which are there, even the male employees which are there, if they want to bring their child to the organization, they can bring it back. There is a daycare available in the school, so the child can be there and they can go back along with their parents at 5:30 when they are moving back home. And the
Wonderful.
quality of life increases with that.
Quality of work also increases.
Yes, quality of work definitely increases, and the life
Wonderful.
also increases.
So this is how our society is going to grow. When you take the lessons from other countries, the developed countries, and you come here, implement them here in the organizations, and you grow. And you also pass the message to the people, to the youngsters, that when you can learn from others as well. It's not that you're making mistakes and you're learning. You can learn from others' mistakes as well. So any other thing you want to tell to the viewers who are listening to you, to the upcoming females, to the youngsters, or even to the boys in the society, a message which can give them the feeling of support, courage, and a growing culture?
Although I'm too young to give a message, but given a chance, the only thing I have to say to the women listening is that we have to start small. And starting small means that I have seen my mother starting with 2 kids and 3 teachers. And now Gyan Jyoti Group is a group in the region. So please don't think that you cannot start, because what is there? What hampers our first step is we start thinking we have to start big. पहले हमें एक शोरूम लेना है, फिर हमें ये काम करना है, फिर मुझे ये बुटीक शुरू करना है, या पहले मुझे 10 लोगों को रखना है तभी तो काम चलेगा, एक्सेट्रा. ऐसे नहीं होता. और कई बार हम घर बैठे ये सोचते हैं. वन ऑफ द थिंग्स इज दैट स्टार्ट स्मॉल, स्टार्ट अर्ली. अगर कुछ शुरू करना है तो कर लो. अगर सही मौके की तलाश में रहोगे, कभी वो सही मौका नहीं होगा, कभी वो समा नहीं होगा, और कभी हालात नहीं होंगे. कुछ ना कुछ तो लगा ही रहेगा. सो स्टार्ट स्मॉल, स्टार्ट अर्ली. सेकेंड इज दैट डोंट थिंक दैट पीपल विल नॉट सपोर्ट यू. हम एज अ वुमेन थोड़े ऐसे भी हैं कि हम एप्रीहेंशन बना लेते हैं. पता नहीं मेरे हस्बैंड को ये अच्छा लगेगा भी कि नहीं लगेगा, सोसाइटी क्या सोचेगी, मेरे रिश्तेदार मेरा मजाक तो नहीं उड़ाएंगे. सो ये चीज़ें घर बैठ के सोचने वाली नहीं है. इनको कर लो, उड़ाएंगे भी तो क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है. जब घर बैठे हैं तब कौन सा नहीं उड़ा रहे हैं. सो लेट अस एक्सपीरियंस दैट. उड़ाने दो.
गाना भी है, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे,
कुछ तो लोग. हाँ. सो दैट इज़ हाउ द थिंग्स आर, दैट लेट्स डू इट, मेक इट हैपन. फाइंड वन एंकर. यस, बट आई विल ऑलवेज से कि ये सोच के कि हो ही जाएगा, इतना भी रिस्क नहीं लेना चाहिए. आई विल नॉट एडवाइज दैट ऑल्सो. एक एंकर आपको लाइफ में ज़रूर चाहिए. जैसे हम थे तो हमारे पास हमारे फादर थे. हमारे फादर हैं जो हमें आज की डेट में भी ही इज़ माई एंकर. सो आई टेक इट लाइक दैट कि हाँ, एक एंकर ढूंढो. आपको ढूंढने चलोगे, कोई दोस्त, कोई पेरेंट्स, हस्बैंड, कोई ना कोई आपको मिल जाएगा. सो उस एंकर एक अगर आपको लाइफ में दिख रहा है, आपका है, कि जिसके पास जब भी आप डीमोटिवेटेड हो जाओगे और वो आपको मोटिवेशन दे के वापस भेजेगा, तो आप ये इनिशिएटिव ले लो. और तीसरी बात ये है कि चैलेंजेस आएंगे. जब भी कोई काम शुरू करेंगे चैलेंजेस आएंगे. हमने तो अपने पेरेंट्स से काम लेके आगे शुरू किया. चैलेंजेस आते हैं. लोगों को टाइम लगता है आपको एक्सेप्ट करने में. लोग एक्सेप्ट करते हुए भी ना एक्सेप्ट करना आपको शो करना चाहते हैं. सो वो चीज़ें आपको इफ़ेक्ट नहीं करनी चाहिए. एंड एज अ वुमेन यू हैव टू बी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड फर्म. And I have experienced that while you are being strong and firm, still people will have things to talk. That should not affect you, because time is a very valuable thing. सब कुछ आपके सामने आ जाता है. It's a big world. कुछ छुपा नहीं है इस दुनिया में. So what you are, it will be there in front of the people. Enjoy your life. Take a risk. God is there. Have a faith somewhere. That superpower, I have a faith in him, so I say that he's there. You take that plunge and live with that.
Basically, जो अभी तक after talking to you for a very few time which I've got, I've realized that if you have a courage to move forward, there are definitely supports from your family, from society, and from the power which you have talked about, which will make you move forward. So जैसे भी हमारे पेरेंट्स भी हमारे बोलते थे पहले जब हम छोटे थे कि सीढ़ी बाई सीढ़ी चढ़ना है ऊपर, है ना, कोशिश नहीं करनी सीधी कूद के ऊपर पहुंचने की, वरना गिरने के चांसेस ज़्यादा रहते हैं. वंडरफुल थॉट्स, एंड इट वाज प्लेजर टू हैव यू ऑन आवर शो, एंड wonderful. Thank you very much for giving the message to the youngsters and giving them the courage to move forward, and I wish you all the best in your life. And और अभी बहुत सारी सक्सेस आपने देखनी है, अभी तो आपकी एज भी बहुत छोटी है इस हिसाब से, और आई वॉन्ट यू टू बी एट अ लेवल जहाँ कि आप, जो कि लड़कियाँ आपको देख के मोटिवेट हों. और जैसे कि हमारा शो ये फीमेल ओरिएंटेड शो ही है, तो हम चाहते हैं कि जो हमारे यंगस्टर्स हैं वो आपको देख के इतने मोटिवेट हों कि आगे आके ऐसा काम करना शुरू कर दें कि बॉयज़ को सोचने होना पड़ जाए मजबूर के यार जब एक लड़की कर सकती तो मैं तो कर ही सकता हूँ. वंडरफुल थॉट्स, थैंक यू वेरी मच. And
just a small thing
sure.
We close the show, I would like to add is that I am available. So if people who are viewing it, they want to at any point of time feel that they need to come and meet me, I'm available in phase 2 Mohali Gyan Jyoti group of institutions over there. So I request my female young colleagues and other people that yes, I am there available over there. If you need my help and guidance, you have that support. You can come to me, you can talk to me, you can discuss. Because कई बार हम शुरू करने से पहले सोचते हैं यार जाएं किसके पास, सलाह किसकी लें. तो हम अगर इस वुमेन इस शो पे हैं, तो I think you have given me that forum wherein I can talk to people and tell them that yes, if you need a counseling and guidance or a little hand holding, which I can do in my way, my services are available.
Wonderful, that's so nice of you. And हमारी पूरी टीम आपको ऑल दी बेस्ट बोलेगी, और हम दिल से चाहते हैं कि आप जैसे और भी लोग इस कंट्री को आगे पेश करें दुनिया के सामने, और फीमेल ओरिएंटेड ही चाहते हैं हम लोग, क्योंकि जो हमें एक पैदा कर रही है, हमारी फैमिली को चला रही है, एक फ़ीमेल ही होती है, राइट. फीमेल जानवरों में भी हमने देखा, और क्योंकि फ़ीमेल ही एक फैमिली बांध के रखती है. मेल का काम होता है कि बस उसने उसको प्रोटेक्ट करना है, लेकिन एक फैमिली जो बांध के रखती है फीमेल ही. तो अगर हमारी फीमेल्स आगे आएंगी तो बेसिकली जो हमारे कल्चर जिससे हम डिवेट हो रहे हैं वो भी आगे आएगा, प्लस वुमेन स्ट्रेंथ तो है ही, और जो हमारी स्पीड है डेवलपिंग कंट्री की तरफ वो और फास्ट हो जाएगी अगर दोनों पहलू, मतलब पुरुष और फीमेल बराबर चलेंगे तो. सो वंडरफुल, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर शेयरिंग योर थॉट्स विद अस एंड विद द व्यूअर्स. सो मैम, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर कमिंग ऑन आवर शो, एंड वी विश यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट इन योर लाइफ.
Thank you, Gurpreet, and I thank the team of Women In for calling me in this program and giving me an forum to share my viewpoints. Thanks and best of luck for reaching the woman. This is the need of the hour. If you will be presenting the success stories and talking to the people, I think you are doing a good job, and it will make a big difference in the society in times to come. Thank you to the entire team for hosting me for this event. Thank you.